Good day everyone. My name is Ramsey Palasan and I will going to discuss the topic depreciation using sum of the year's digit method. So watch and learn. Let's go.
Hello everyone, this is the problem for topic depreciation using sum of the years digit method. The problem is a machine is purchased for 80,000. Its estimated life is 5 years, after which it will have a salvage value of 5,000. Find the depreciation at the second year and the book value at the end of the second year. Given. Our given is machine is purchased for 80,000 FC. Then estimated life is 5 years, which is our N, and salvage value of 5,000. This is our given. If C is equals to 80,000, N is equals to 5, then our SB is equals to 5,000. Our find is depreciation at second year, which is our D2, and the book value at the end of the second year, which is our book value 2. Next we need to do is compute the SOID, or sum of the years digits, in short SOID. So our N is equals to 5. We need to do is, the formula for SOID is 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 and plus 1. Our SOID is equals to 4 plus 3 is 7, 2 plus 3 is 10, so it's equals to 15. Next we need to do is make a table which is contain year, depreciation cost, remaining life, depreciation fraction, depreciation expense, and book value. We start with the year 1. In our remaining life, since our N is estimated life is 5 years, so we need to start at 5 years. To get the depreciation cost, we need to subtract first cost and SB, which is 80,000 minus 5,000. So our SB is equals to 75,000. To get the depreciation fraction, we need to do is remaining life over SOID, which is our SOID computation earlier. So 5 over 15. Next, to get the depreciation expense, we need to do is multiply the depreciation cost and differential fraction. $75,000 times 5 over 15. So our depreciation expense is 25,000. Also, to get the book value, we need to subtract the depreciation expense and the first cost, which is 80,000 minus 25,000. So our book value for year 1 is 55,000. Next is the year 2. Same depreciation cost, 75,000. Remaining life is 4. Then our depreciation fraction is, since our remaining life is 4, so 4 over 15. Same solving, 75,000 times 4 over 15. So our depreciation expense is 20,000. Then our book value for year 2 is, we need to subtract the book value in year 1 to get the book value for year 2. 55,000 minus depreciation expense in year 2, 20,000. So our book value for year 2 is 35,000. So this is our final answer. Our D2 and book value for at the end of the second year. But for we able to know if our computation is correct, we need to continue computing the 5-year remaining life or estimated life, which is 5 years. So we need to continue the year up to 5th year. So year 3, year 4, and year 5. Same depreciation cost, 75,000. Now our remaining life is 5 to 1. So 3, 2, and 1. Same solving. So our remaining life is 3. So it is 15. Remaining life is 2 over 15. Remaining life is 1 over 15. Same computation. To get the depreciation expense, you need to multiply the depreciation cost and the depreciation fraction. 75,000 times 3 over 15. So our depreciation expense for year 3 is 15,000. Next is the year 4. Substitute the numerator, 2 over 15. So our depreciation expense for year 4 is 10,000. And last year, which is the year 5th year, 1 over 50. So 5,000. To get the book value, same computation, 35,000 minus 15,000, 20,000. Just continue. 20,000 minus 10,000 is equals to 10,000. So 10,000 minus 5,000 is equals to 5,000. So let's compute to know if our depreciation cost is correct. We need to convert the depreciation fraction into percent. So equals to 5 over 15 times 100. 33.33%. Then 4 over 15 times 100 again, round off, 26.67%. Same at year 3, 3 over 15, 20%. 13.33%. The last one is 1 over 15 times 100 equals to 6.67%. Total of depreciation fraction 33.33% plus 26.67 plus 20 plus 13.33 plus 6.67 is equals to 100%. So our depreciation cost is correct. Next, to know if our depreciation expense is correct, we need to compute it, and it will be equal to 75,000. Depreciation cost 25,000 plus 20,000 plus 15,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000, so is equals to 75,000. So our depreciation expense is correct. It's equals to depreciation cost and depreciation expense is equal to D. So our computation is correct. So our answer for manual type computation is equals to depreciation at second year D2 is equals to 20,000, and book value for at the end of second year is 35,000. To check if our manual computation is correct, we need to use the two formulas, which is formulas dm is equals to n minus m plus 1 over soil times first cost minus salvage value. The other one is dm equals to times 2 m 2n minus m plus 1 over 2 soil first cost minus salvage value. So our m for this problem is m is equals to 2 because we are solving the depreciation at second year and the book value for second year. So using the first formula dm n minus m plus 1 over soil times first cost minus salvage value. So substitute the values. D2 is equals to since our n is equals to 5 minus 2 plus 1 plus our soil computation earlier, which is 15 times first cost 80,000 minus salvage value, which is 5,000. compute. 5 minus 2 plus 1 over 15 times 80,000 minus 5,000 is equals to D2 is equals to 20,000. To get the book value, we need to subtract first cost minus our get computation, that is D2. First cost is equals to 80,000 minus D2, which is 20,000. Which is 80,000 minus 20,000 is equals to 60,000. So this is our answer. As you can see, our D2 is correct, which is equivalent to D2, which is 20,000. So our D2 notation is correct. But our book value for year 2 is wrong. So to get the book value for the end of the year 2, we need to try the second formula, which is dm is equals to m 2n minus m plus 1 parenthesis over 2 soil times fc minus sb. There is another way to solve the soil. This is another formula. Soil is equals to n over 2 and times n plus 1. So our n is equals to 5. So 5 over 2 times 5 plus 1. So it is equals to, we need to compute to prove that our computation is correct. 5 over 2 times 5 plus 1. So same answer, 15. So to continue, so substitute the values. D2 times 2 times 5 minus 2 plus 1 parenthesis over 2, so it is equals to 15. So 2 times 15. FC is equals to 80,000 minus 5,000. D2 is equals to 2 times 5 minus 2 plus 1 times 2 times 15 times 80,000 minus 5,000. D2 is equals to 45,000. Same solving for equation 1 or solve for formula 1. To get the book value for the end of year 2, we need to subtract first cost minus T2, depreciation at second year. So yung first cost 80,000 minus 45,000. Need to calculate 80,000 minus 45,000. Our book value for year 2 is equals to 35,000. So this is our book value. So this time, based on the table, our book value for at the end of second year is correct. So our final answer that is correct is D2 is equals to 20,000 and book value at the end of second year is 35,000. This is the other computation, same problem, same given and same formulas. Given first cost 80,000 and is equals to 5 years. Salvage value is equals to 5,000. M is equals to 2 since we are solving the depreciation at second year and the book value in the end of the second year. What is asked? D2 and book value at the end of the second year. Formulas 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 dm is equals to n minus m plus what over soy times first cost minus salvage value. Second formula is equals to m 2n minus m plus 1 over 2 soy times first cost minus SB. So in these formulas, we need to use the second one. Although these formulas have the conditions of the given, but I prefer to use the second formula. So substitute the value D2 is equals to M2 to our n is 5 years, 5 minus 2 again, plus 1 parenthesis 2 soil times first cost minus salvage value, which is 80,000 minus 5,000. D2 is 2. 2, 5 minus 2 plus 1 over 2. So earlier we compute the SOID formula, which is SOID equals to n over 2 n plus 1. So our n is 5 over 2, 5 plus 1. So it is equals to 15. So 2 times 15 times 80,000 minus 5,000. D2 is equals to 2 is 2, 5 minus 2 plus 1 over 2 times 15 times 80,000 minus 5,000. Dito is equals to 45,000. To get the book value at the end of second year, you need to subtract first cost minus D2, which is 80,000 minus 45,000. BB2 is equals to 80,000 minus 45,000, 35,000. So this is our D2 and book value for second year.